on purpose trying to play him a lot more minutes at the point. His decision making is getting better, more mature, and he's also partly nagpapakita din siya ng leadership. We lost Mamo, our team captain, and Kailan took over as team captain. But I think si Kailan as the leader now is able also to inspire other guys, no? to be part of that leadership, be accountable to their teammates. So I think that's part of the maturity of the team. We're able to adjust to the situations, and then see Adrian is getting better in a different field. He's not just looking to score, he's looking to make his teammates better. And sa akin, when assign